Hello friends, welcome to our live streaming of this session. Today's session is on the topic of our today's session is on the syllabus that has been rationalized by the CBSE board for class 9th and 10th. Also for 11th and 12th, but here we are only going to do the class 10th syllabus rationalization and what are the syllabus that are included in what is the format of the examination and all about. Even of the subject Hindi we are going to discuss in this. Sanskrit, I don't know because I don't think many of my viewers are from Sanskrit section or they belong to the Sanskrit or they have opted for Sanskrit. So I don't know. If you are from Sanskrit and you want Sanskrit videos to be made, then please comment in the box. And so here till Hindi we will discuss. Also Sanskrit we will discuss, but not in detail. For those, for one, two, or those few, we are going to have. But most probably we are going to do the syllabus rationalization of other subjects, all major subjects. Though Sanskrit is also a very major subject and among my favorite ones, but here we are not going to discuss that. And so let me so the PDF, what are the syllabus that have been reduced and what are going to be have. And as we all know that this year we are going to have term wise division of examination conducted by the CBSE board. So we know that the term has been the board conducted by the examination conducted by the boards having divided into two syllabus, the term one and the term two, with internal assessments as well as each for each semester 10 marks from each subject. And so the total 20 for internal assessment. So we must put emphasis on the internal assessment as well as with our academics. And we are going to have, earlier there used to be 80 marks full paper in the boards, but now 40 marks division will be the in the examination of the board. So we know that the term has been divided and there will be 40 marks in each in each exam of term 1 and term 2. So total integrating inte after integration there will be 80 marks total from both semesters, from both the terms. And in the term 1 we are going to have MCQ based questions on 1 marker, or the case study based assertion and reasoning, map based questions in social science, diagram based labeling, and all that. That used to be the format will be like SOF, the Olympiads conducted by the that. So that's so. And so let's begin without wasting our each time. I've talked too much to you. Now let's begin with our syllabus. Hello friends. Now I think these will be visible to you with proper aid. Or if you need, let me. My camera is here also. Well, if you want, I should. I think I should increase the camera's width inside. Yes. Hmm. See, what I was telling is. English language, I am skipping here for class 9. We'll do it later, but first of all, this video is for class 10. Another video will be made for class 9 syllabus, or I think another video will be made for class 9 syllabus. Now let's begin. पापा ढूंढ रहे थे. So let's start for class 10. Mhm. So friends, mm, mm, mm. Now came our class 10th, English language and literature. The code is 184 for class 10th. Hmm, let's begin. My favorite color is red, so I have chosen red. English language and literature is our subject meaning of English, and code is 184 and class 10 syllabus for the session 2021 to 2022. Term wise syllabus we are going to discuss means the whole term is divided into two, the first term and the second term. First term, let's start. From the reading section, as every time we have, from the reading section we are going to have unseen. From the reading section we have unseen passages for inculcating or assessing inference, evaluation, vocabulary analysis, and interpretation of better language or language learning or better comprehension of the language. So we are going to have discursive paragraph of 400 to 450 words from which the MCQs will be based. And then the second, the case-based factual passage with visual input, statical data means either it should like in an analytical paragraph as we analyze through the histograms, tables, or the given information in the form of in the given pictorial factual form. The same here we are going to have. And in the letter, from letter to the editor, letter of complaint, both official and business, we are going to have. And this is even now a big chaos here that how can letter become in MCQ form? Maybe so here maybe it could be given in the form of MCQs that to fill the in the letter, but this is not actual the letter formatting that we are going to have as earlier. There we have. Uh, Now let's move from literature. We have two books in literature. The main one, the first flight, the main course, and second, the supplementary reader, Footprints Without Feet. The interesting books from the first flight books, as we know that it contains both prose and poems. So from the first flight prose, the rationalized syllabus is A Letter to God, Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom, two stories about flying, both part one, his first flight and the Black Aeroplane by Liam Fartley and Frederick Fawcett, respectively. And then from the Diary of Annie Frank, which is an excerpt from the Diary of a Young Girl, which is based on Annie Frank's. As you know, you have studied all these. The Hundred Dresses and the Hundred Dresses too. We are also going to have from the poem of these two poems are in the chapter one. Here, chapter one, Letter to God section. These two poems are there, Dust of Snow and Paradise, both by the same poet, Robert Frost, and A Tiger in the Zoo by Liesl Norris, and the Ball poem we are going to have. Mm-mm. The poems here deleted are, I must remind, How to Tell Wild Animals by Caroline Wells is deleted, which we have studied, and it was very good poem, funny poem. Now let's move forward. From Footprints Without Feet, A Triumph of Surgery, the first chapter, The Thief Story, the second chapter of the book, and Footprints Without Feet, the fifth chapter of the book. Both Midnight Visitor and A Question of Trust, both the interesting stories are rationalized, reduced here, deleted for for this session. Last year, this was also very same, as I heard from our teachers. This was very same. Term 2, the subjective questions are going to be 40 marks paper will be. Again, reading question, the same will be discussive paragraphs for 400 to 450 words, and case-based factual passage with visual input or statistical data chart. The same in the first one, but here where we maybe MCQs will be there or maybe we have tried. This is not clear yet. From the writing section, two letters we are going to have letter of order, letter of placing order or cancellation also, letter of inquiry. Okay, and analytical paragraph based on outline chart, blue map report, whatever the factual uh, fact has been given there, factual pictogram has been given there. From the grammar, tenses, model, subject, verb, conquer, determiner, reported speech, commands and request, statement and question. These are we are going to have in the grammar portion. From the text, we are going to have chapter 7 from the first slide, glimpse of India, all the three parts that a baker from Goa, Kurg, auntie from Assam, and then Madam Rides the Bus by Wali Kallan. This is we are going to have. And the chapter 8, the Misbil daughter has been deleted. Someone at Banaras we are going to have, and the proposal play by Anton Chekhov we are going to have. The poem Amanda we are going to have in the then Animals poem by Walt Whitman, and the Tale of the Custard Dragon we are going to have. The trees poem and many poems are deleted for anniversary for. Now, footprints without feet, we have four chapters. The making of a scientist, chapter 4. The necklace, chapter 7. The hack driver, chapter 8. And holy, chapter 9. Three chapters total we will take from the whole session from footprints without feet. Let me see. First time, first I thought I think that we are repeating. Now yeah, it is clear. Now let's move to another syllabus of class 10. Hmm. Here from now social science syllabus. Oh my god, what is this happening? Hmm. Let's start. So now started here from here. Hmm. Class 10 syllabus social science. It has been given here. Some oh my goodness. Why is my device being so leave, let me leave it. Mm. Class 10 syllabus course structure is given from the history book India and the Contemporary World 2. We are going to have question of 10 marks, 10 marks from the civics, 10 marks from geography, 10 marks from economics. Total 40 marks in the first term. And similarly, this will be in the same in the second term of the subjective exam. Term 1 syllabus India and the from history, the rise of nationalism in Europe, the whole chapter, and the questions will be based from MCQ type questions. Now from geography, contemporary India book 2, theme, resources, we are going to have chapter 1, chapter 3 for map based, and chapter 4, agriculture for the for MCQ questions. From civics, democratic politics, chapter 1, power sharing, and chapter 2, federalism are going to come. From economics, development, chapter 1, chapter 2, sectors of economics, these two chapters are going to come in the term 1 examination of the board conducted by the board. Map, the important maps are from the chapter 1 in geography, from the chapter 1, major soil types, from the resource and development, chapter 1. Chapter 3, as we know, it is mainly for the map. We are going to have this as a chapter. Salal map, Bhakra Nangal, Tehri, Rana Pratap Sagar, Sardar Sarovar, Hirakund, Nagarjun Sagar, Tungabhadra, these rivers map, dams map, we are going to have. The theoretical aspect of chapter to be assessed in periodic test only. Periodic test in UT we are going to have, but these will be not going to be evaluated in the board exams. Only the map items of this chapter will come in our board exam. And agriculture, the major areas of rice and wheat. This map is important. And largest major producer states of sugarcane, tea, coffee, rubber, cotton, and jute. Other than food crops, these are important maps. And in food crops, the two main wheat and rice. Now down to syllabus, nationalism in India from history and livelihood economic section, the making of global world, the age of industrialization from history, from geography, mineral and energy resources. This is very like the same of chapter 3, water resources as it was in term 1, only theoretical aspect for in the school exams only, but the main board will not evaluate the marks on this, and math we are going to have important maths. Manufacturing industry is the important chapter, and lifetimes of the national economy is the important chapter. Now from civics, chapter 6, political parties and outcomes of democracy we are going to have. From economics, money and credit, globalization and the Indian economy we are going to have further study. Now important maps for term 2. Nationalism India for locating and leveling identification 1919 to 1930. Then Indian National Congress session Calcutta, Nagpur, Madras, then important centers of Indian national movement, Champaran, Kheda, Ahmednagar, Amritsar, Chaura Chauri, Dandi, these from history. Geography outline map from minerals and process power plants, thermal nuclear, these Namrup, Singrauli, Ramagundam, Narora, Kasarapura, Tarapura, Kolkata, these are important. Manufacturing industries, cotton textile in Mumbai, Indore, Surat, Kanpur, Coimbatore, these are important. Iron steel plants, Durgapur, Bokaro, Jamshedpur, Bhilai, Vijayanagar, Salem. Software technology parks, Noida, Gandhinagar, Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Thiruvananthapuram. These are important now. From lifetimes of the national economy, major ports locating will be the major ports given are Kandla, Mumbai, Marudu, New Mangalore, Kochi, Tuticorin, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Paradip, Haldia. These are important ports. Airports, we are going to have Amritsar, Rajasthani, Delhi Indira Gandhi International, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Hyderabad. So, for internal assessment, I think internal assessment you should discuss with your teacher. I should not discuss this aspect here. Now let's move on to science period. on the science section of the exam. Here came class 10 course structure. In science, from science book, chemical substances, nature and behavior. This is unit means the chemistry part and the bio part, and this the physics part, the natural phenomenon part. And for term two, from chemistry, chapter 4 and 5, world of living means bio, chapter 8 and 9, and effects of current, that is also a part of physics, to chapter 12 and 13. And from natural resources means if the part of bio, three chapters we are going to have in bio, natural resources, chapter 15, so chapter 8 and 9, and means the how do organisms reproduce, and hereditary evolution part is related. Internal assessment, as you can see, the marks given are 10 10 in both the, as the structure I already discussed before showing the PDF and the presentation. So let's begin. Term 1 from chemical reaction and equation. Chemical reaction chapter is there. Chapter 1 from chemistry. From the science book, it is chapter 1 and is a part of chemistry. Chemical reaction and equation. Then chapter 2 of the science book, acid, bases, and salt. And third, metals and non-metals we are going to have in our exam of term 1 MCQ based. Now, from the bio chapter, only one chapter, the life process, which has several sub-chapters, four several sub-chapters, which in higher classes are individual big chapter. This light process we are going to have in the first term. And from physics, we have light reflection and refraction, and human eye and the colorful world. And term 2, chemistry, carbon and its compounds, chapter 4. Chapter 5, periodic classification of elements we are going to have. Now, from bio, how do organisms reproduce, hereditary and evolution, physics, electricity, and magnetic current, magnetic effects of current. Then our environment from natural resources, from bio, this is bio part, and internal affairs. Let's leave this and move to mathematics section. हाँ, yes, came यहाँ आ गया हमारा PDF came here. Class 10 math structure. Number system is the real number and algebra part. 10 marks. It's for the first term. 10 marks will be from the algebra section. And this chapter, polynomial linear equation in two variables, will be there from the algebra section. Quadratic equation and the arithmetic progression will be in the term 2. Coordinate geometry for 6 marks, weighted it has. Geometry has 6 marks weighted. The chapters of geometry and trigonometry, 5 marks. And I think heights and distance have been reduced. I'm also considering, let me clear from the PDF. Then mensuration, 4 marks weightage it will carry, and statics and probability will carry 3 marks. Total 40 marks in the term 1. Real numbers, chapter 1, chapter 2 from algebra, polynomials, pair of equation, then coordinate geometry. From geometry, triangle chapter, introduction to trigonometry and trigonometric identities we are going to have. I think I told you that height and distance means the application of trigonometry is in the second term. Areas related to circle from mensuration only, and then from statics and probability will come. Now let's move to the second term course. Algebra continue means the rest two parts have 10 marks. Geometry continues the except triangles, 9 marks. Trigonometry, 7 marks. Mensuration, 6 marks. And statics and probability, 8 marks. Total 40 marks. These chapters are there from algebra, quadratic equation, and arithmetic progression. From geometry, circle, construction. These two chapters we have. And then application to trigonometry, heights and distance. From trigonometry, we are going to have mensuration, surface area and volume, and statics, mean, median, and mode. All these are from this one. Now let's move to the Hindi section. Sanskrit I will not discuss here, or if you want, I will make individual videos for Sanskrit syllabus. Now this I can do. I need not discuss from this PDF because I know Hindi syllabus and it is not clear from the PDF. Let me show you afterward. I will show it myself. Oh my god, तो हिंदी आ गई है तो मुझे लगता है अब हिंदी में ही बात करनी चाहिए। और हिंदी के मैं आप लोगों को आंतरिक मूल्यांकन यानी कि इंटरनल असेसमेंट भी बता ये नवनी की है 10वीं की पढ़ाई। तो इसमें पहले प्रश्न पत्र यानी क्वेश्चन पेपर का प्रारूप दिया हुआ है, तो वही पहले से स्टार्ट कर देते जैसा इसमें दिया हुआ है। और इसके लिए मुझे लगता है मुझे इसकी जरूरत पड़ेगी टूल्स की, जी वो भी पतली वाली। तो ठीक है, पहला ये हिंदी का है, कोड है हमारा 022 कोर्स ए वाला हिंदी की, कोर्स ए वाली हिंदी की परीक्षा भार विभाजन, मतलब परीक्षा का टर्म 1 सत्र 1 मतलब टर्म 1। पहला है कुल 40 अंक के रहेंगे पहले सत्र में प्रश्न पत्र। तो उसमें हमारा अपठित गद्यांश जो कि 150 से 200 शब्दों में रहेगा क्वेश्चन पेपर में यानी प्रश्न पत्र में, और एक गुना 5 यानी प्रत्येक 1 मार्क्स के 5 क्वेश्चन रहेंगे और 5 हैं विकल्प सहित। और फिर उसी तरह अपठित काव्यांश रहेगा 150 से 200 शब्दों में और 5 प्रश्न रहेंगे, 1 मार्क्स के रहेंगे, 5 मार्क्स विकल्प सहित। दोनों 5-5 10 हो गए पहले खंड के या पहले विभाजन के। दूसरा व्याकरण खंड है। व्याकरण खंड में रचना के आधार पर 4 अंक के रहेंगे, वाक्य के आधार पर 4 अंक के रहेंगे, पद परिचय के आधार पर 4 अंक के रहेंगे, रस के आधार पर 4 अंक के रहेंगे। कुल 16 मार्क्स के रहेंगे। प्रश्न कुल 20 रहेंगे, लेकिन इन सभी में कुल 5 प्रश्न रहेंगे, जिसके कारण 5 गुना 4 20 हो गया, लेकिन हमें सबके 4 करने हैं क्योंकि 4 अंक लिखे हैं, किन्हीं पाँचों में से किन्हीं 4 को करना है। तो यही हो गया हमारा। इसी तरह 16 मार्क्स का हमारा विभाजन हो गया 16 अंकों का। अब क्षितिज से निर्धारित पाठ जो मैं अभी आगे बताऊंगा उनसे बहुविकल्पी 5 प्रश्न पूछे जाएंगे और सभी 1 मार्क्स के रहेंगे, 1 अंक के रहेंगे, तो 5 हो गए। फिर आ गए फिर क्षितिज से निर्धारित गद्य पाठों के आधार पर विद्यार्थी से पूछा जाएगा और बहुविकल्पी प्रश्न रहेंगे, 2 रहेंगे दोनों। क्षितिज से फिर काव्यखंड में क्षितिज के जो काव्य हैं उनसे रहेंगे 5 प्रश्न और क्षितिज, और फिर वैसे ही जिस तरह काव्य में था वैसे ही इसमें भी 2 रहेंगे, 2 मार्क्स के, फिर 2 अंक के। और आंतरिक मूल्यांकन जो मैं बताता हूँ सामयिक आकलन यानी जो हमारे शिक्षक अध्यापक हैं या शिक्षिका अध्यापिका हैं वो हमें समय समय पर हमारा आकलन करते रहेंगे कि हम हिंदी की ओर कैसे अग्रसर हैं, हमारा क्या व्यवहार है, आचार है इत्यादि। ये हुआ। बहुविध आकलन में भी आ सकता है। बहुविध आकलन के भी हो गए 1.5 अंक। बहुविध आकलन में अनेक तरह से लेता है, या तो क्या कहता है, या परियोजना कार्य से लिया जाए या हिंदी के जितने भी होते हैं प्रतियोगिता या उत्सव मनाए जाते हैं उनमें आपका कैसा भाग है, भागीदारी इत्यादि आधार पर। फिर है पोर्टफोलियो यानी वही आभार व्यवहार के मार्क्स। और श्रवण एवं वाचन बहुविध में पुस्तिका के आधार पर यानी कॉपी के आधार पर मार्क्स मिल सकते हैं। श्रवण वाचन की 1.5 सब मिलकर 10 अंक के हो गए कुल। और पहले सत्र में कृतिका से एक भी पाठ नहीं आने वाले हैं, कृतिका भाग 2 के। अब सत्र 2 की बारी आई। तो सत्र 2 मैं बताता हूँ कि मैं भूल गया था ये बीच में बताना, मैंने इसे अच्छे से लिखा भी है। तो क्षितिज के जो पाठ हैं उनमें से क्षितिज के काव्य गद्य पाठ से नेताजी का चश्मा, बाल गोविंद भगत, ये दोनों ही सत्र 1 टर्म 1 में आने वाले हैं। काव्य खंड से सूरदास के पद जो कि पाठ 1 है, और द्वितीय पाठ तुलसीदास कृत रामचरितमानस का भाग बालकांड के से जो लिया गया राम लक्ष्मण परशुराम संवाद, वो ये दोनों पाठ के आने वाले हैं। और जैसा कि हम लोग कृत का सूत्र आने वाले नहीं है, और व्याकरण की तो पहले ही आगे इसमें डिस्कस किए हुए। ठीक है, हम आगे बढ़ते हैं बिना सुने लगाए। अब सत्र 2 की आएगी। सत्र 2 में हम लोग विषय वस्तु, इसमें भी सब कुछ ऐसे रहेंगे। 40 मार्क्स की परीक्षा होगी। गद्य खंड से पहले प्रश्न रहेंगे। इसमें वो अपठित ये नहीं रहेगा, सीधा गद्य से, गद्य खंड से शुरुआत हुई है। फिर इससे निर्धारित आधार पर विषय वस्तु का प्रश्न पूछे जाएंगे, और ये मुझे लगता है सब्जेक्टिव ही होगा। तो 2 प्रश्न रहेंगे, 4 प्रश्न रहेंगे, 2-2 मार्क्स के रहेंगे, तो कुल 8 हो गए। फिर इसी तरह काव्य से 2 अंक के 3 प्रश्न रहेंगे, 6 मार्क्स के। फिर इसी तरह कृतिका पाठ से निर्धारित 3 पाठ रहेंगे। कृतिका के पहले 3 पाठ, पहला माता का अंचल, दूसरा जॉर्ज पंचम की नाथ, साना सामना हाथ बताइए, पाठ 3। पाठ 4 5 आएंगे नहीं। तो ये हम लोगों ने जान लिया। फिर कृतिका आधारित प्रश्न रहेंगे 3, और 2 अंक के रहेंगे, तो 6 हो गए। या दो, सॉरी, 2 अंक, 2 प्रश्न रहेंगे, 3 अंक के रहेंगे। अब इनमें लेखन कार्य, लेखन इसमें बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। तो विभिन्न विषयों और संदर्भों पर विद्यार्थी के तर्कसंगत विकास प्रकट करने की क्षमता को परखने के लिए संकेत बिंदुओं पर आधारित समसामयिक एवं व्यावहारिक जीवन से जुड़े हुए 3 विषयों में से किसी एक विषय पर लगभग 150 से में अनुच्छेद लेखन लिखना है। 3 प्रश्न रहेंगे, उसमें से किसी एक को करना है अनुच्छेद लेखन को 150 शब्दों में, कि हम अपनी क्षमता अनुसार अच्छे से उसे लिखना है। विद्यार्थी की क्षमता उसमें लिखेगी। 5 मार्क्स के एक अनुच्छेद लेखन, लेखन के भाग में है लेखन, कुल 20 मार्क्स का खंड रहेगा। द्वितीय है कि औपचारिक या अनौपचारिक, औपचारिक अथवा अनौपचारिक है, दोनों ही हो सकते हैं। 120 शब्दों में पत्र लिखना है, 5 मार्क्स का एक। अब 2 रहेंगे, 5 को एक करना है, 5 मार्क्स के रहेंगे। अब आते हैं विषय से संबंधित 2 विज्ञापन लेखन रहेंगे 2, और इसमें 1.5 अंक गुना 2, 5-5 हो जाएंगे दोनों। 4 रहेंगे, किसी प्रत्येक में से किसी एक को करना है, कुल 2 हो जाएंगे। मतलब 4 प्रश्न रहेंगे, जैसे क ख करके, क या ख में कोई करना रहेगा, ग घ में कोई एक करना रहेगा, विज्ञापन लेखन में। अब संदेश लेखन जो है 40 शब्दों में रहेगा। 2 प्रश्न रहेंगे विकल्प सहित, और ये भी उसी की तरह विज्ञापन विज्ञापन लेखन की तरह रहेगा, क ख ग घ इस तरह से। ठीक, हम लोग लिख सकते हैं। इसका भी आंतरिक मूल्यांकन सत्र 1 की तरह ही रहेगा। ठीक है, धन्यवाद। हम आते हैं कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन पे। कंप्यूटर में जी, आगे हम कुल कितने पार्ट पढ़ने हैं दोनों टर्म के पूरे साल में, 10वीं में, क्लास 10th की है ये। दिस इज द चैप्टर फ्रॉम क्लास 10 कंप्यूटर नेटवर्किंग, HTML, cyber ethics and practicals, for practical 50 marks, and these total 50 marks we are going to have in the whole session of 150 for the examination. Term 1 total will be examination will be of 25 marks. From cyber ethics 10 marks question will come, and from HTML 15 marks question will come, MCQ based. Now from for term 2, we are going to have networking and HTML. Networking will carry 15 marks weightage, and HTML 10 marks. Total 25. Both theoretical will be for total 50 for both, for by integrating term 1 and term 2। और फिर हम लोग मिलाएंगे प्रैक्टिकल भी इसी तरह, दोनों टर्म का अलग अलग होगा, 25 में से 50, कुल 100 हो गए। चलिए ठीक है, चलिए अब हम अपनी क्लास यहाँ पे खत्म करते हैं। क्लास प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब, और अपने सभी दोस्तों को शेयर किया, क्योंकि सिलेबस अभी सभी को जरूरी है। टर्म 1 जल्दी आने ही वाला है, और टर्म 2 की भी तैयारी अभी से ही करनी है। तो कल से स्टार्ट कीजिए। बेस्ट ऑफ लक, थैंक यू।